Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Zoook ZB-Rocker Thunder. So let's move in. Hey friends, as you can see, this is the box of the newly launched Zoook ZB-Rocker Thunder, and first we are going to see what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. And as you can see on this side, you can see some features about the speaker. It supports a TF, it supports a SD card slot, it has a lithium-ion battery, Bluetooth streaming, flashing DJ lights, superior sound quality and karaoke ready. Like as you can see over here, you get a mic with the speaker, so this is karaoke ready. You have FM radio, you have a USB port also, and you can connect multiple Bluetooth devices with this speaker. At the back, as you can see, some more specifications about the speaker in detail, which I'm going to explain in the later part of the video. And now we are going to move inside the box. So here are the seals, as you can see, and let me cut open the seals. And first thing you can see is the manual or the warranty card. As you can see over here, let me just focus it. So this is the warranty card. This is the manual with all the specifications. This is the accessories, like you get this charging cable, traditional charging cable, micro USB cable. This is the mic, you can see, for the karaoke. And this is the cord for the mic and the aux cable. So now let's remove the speaker out of the box. And as you can see, this is the speaker out of the box. Comes inside this bubble packaging. And so friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, we can move to the review and the sound test of the speaker. So hey friends, this is the Zoook Thunder out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole shell of this device is made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels very high quality. And over here you will find nothing else than plastic. Like when you will pick the speaker up, you might feel that the speaker is totally hollow. You don't have any kind of things, because generally speaking, the speaker in the video will look very small, but in person it's a very big speaker. Like for a 20-watt speaker unit, this body is too big. I have the Jazz Blaster of the same brand, which is a 30-watt speaker. Comes in a smaller form factor, but this speaker is such a big speaker. Like it's a huge speaker. You cannot carry the speaker anywhere with you, but it's a very lightweight speaker. As I've said, when you will pick the speaker up, you feel like it's hollow. It's just 1.2 kgs. Yeah, when you will look at it, it looks like it is about 3 to 4 kgs, but still it's a very lightweight speaker. But you cannot carry the speaker anywhere with you. This will not fit in your luggage anywhere, because this is a very big speaker. The size is too big for a 20-watt speaker. So I think that they should have done a better job when it comes to the size of the speaker. But when it comes to the build quality and the design, I think the build quality is just top notch. They haven't done any kind of cheap job over here. They have spent a lot of work time on this device, because it doesn't have any kind of panel gaps. As you can see over here, you cannot see any kind of panel gaps. You get this honeycomb kind of a pattern at the back, which looks too good in my opinion. And it doesn't have any kind of rattles when the music is playing damn hard. The bass is hitting too good. At that time, it doesn't have any kind of rattle. The design is very eye-catching. Like it's just a head turner. I've been using this device for about 6 days now. I've taken this device to many functions, like Navratri is going on, so I've taken this device to many places with me. So this device is a very eye-catching device, and the main eye-catching point of this device is the design and the RGB lighting in the center, which I'm going to show you in a moment in the sound test of the video. But the design is super good. They have tried to do something different. You get a grab handle on top of it, so you can pick the speaker up. This is a very sturdy, rugged grab handle. So friends, now we are going to move to the features of the speaker. Features wise, you get lots and lots of stuff at this price point. Like under 3000 rupees, you can expect a lot of stuff given inside the speaker. Like you get a USB port, you get a SD card slot, you get an aux port, you get an aux cable also inside the box, and you get a mic port also, and you get a mic also inside the box. Like this is a karaoke also. So this is a wired mic, not a wireless mic which we get in those artist speakers. but still for the price point you're getting a mic inside the speaker, and this is a very long cable. You can just keep the speaker somewhere, and if you are hosting the party or going anywhere with this speaker, you want to do some musty, you can take this mic with you. And this is a fairly long wire with the mic, so a nice mic inside the box also. And you get different modes also, like you get FM if you want to listen to daily news or your old music when you don't have your mobile phone nearby, so you can do that in this device. But the most disappointing part about this device is the battery. The battery is just 1200 mAh, which is such a big disappointment. This is such a huge shell. You can fit about a 10,000 mAh battery inside this shell, but Zoook didn't did it. I don't know why they didn't did that thing. Like with that 1200 mAh, you get 4 hours of playtime, which is too low in my opinion for this big of a speaker. Like when you look at the speaker, you want a big battery because the form factor of the speaker is so big. So friends, now we are going to move to the sound test of the speaker. So hey friends, as you can see, I've turned the speaker on, and this is the RGB lighting which I was talking about in the last part of the video. So friends, first we are going to do the mic test of the speaker. So let me plug in the mic, and you can control the volume of the mic through this knob, and you can control the volume of the speaker when it is connected to the smartphone. So you can control that volume through this knob. So friends, now we are going to do the mic test first, then we are going to move to the sound test.
Hello friends, welcome to Tech with AGT. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, and please do subscribe to Tech with AGT to get latest updates on all the new tech. Thank you for watching friends.
So friends, now as you have heard the mic test, now we are going to move to the proper sound test which we do on this channel. So friends, I've connected the speaker to my iPhone 7 Plus. Let me just reduce the brightness. And the name of the song is Run Free. As you can see over here, the name of the song is Run Free by Deep Chills. So now I'm going to play the song, and the volume from my device is full now. So now I'm playing it. I still remember. So hey friends, as you have heard the speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from the speaker is very loud. It's damn loud for a 20-watt speaker. Like it can shake the whole party. Yeah, it's that loud for a 20-watt speaker. But when we talk about the quality of the sound is good. It's not best, it's not pathetic, bad, but it's good. Like there is a little bit of distortion at full volume. Like if you see the music video again, you saw that I reduced the volume a little bit, like about a 5% reduction in volume, that comes to 95%. The volume was damn clear on that volume, but at full volume I can hear that kind of distortion. Most of my viewers will not hear that distortion. It's not that noticeable, but still it's my job to tell you that thing. It's up to you now. But the quality of the sound is pretty good. It's good. It's not the best in the market. Like, I cannot say that this is the best sounding speaker in the market under 3000. It's just as good. And when we talk about the bass, I was expecting a lot more bass from this speaker. Yeah, I know the camera was shaking a lot when there was the drop in the music, but still I've unboxed many speakers with lower watts also, but with better bass. So I expected little bit more punch from this speaker when it comes to the bass part, because as you can see, the looks of this device are so good. Anyone can fall for this device. That this might be a very basic kind of speaker, but it's not that bassy. Most of the people will love it, but still as a bass header, I didn't like it that much. The bass is not that good, but I think that this is one of the best speakers under 3000 rupees, because you get so much of stuff in this speaker. Like, you get lots of connectivity options, you get a mic also inside the box, you get a long cord with the mic, you can control each and everything through this control unit over here. You have your RGB lighting over here, which looks so good. The design, the build quality is top notch. So friends, if anyone wants to buy the speaker, the links are in the description. Do check them out. Thank you for watching, friends. This is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the newly launched Zoook ZB-Rocker Thunder. Thank you for watching, friends.